I was an early adopter. Right away when Command came out, I signed up. My Market Center tech person, Jannel, and I really locked arms on it, and we're determined to get it to work for my database. So we went all in.
I listened to the needs of the agents, and I apply the KW technology to them. And once you've actually learned the why behind Command and why it's there to help you, then you can actually adopt it to your business.
The technology leverage has been huge. I use neighborhood smart plans religiously. I have about 4,000 people on a monthly neighborhood smart plan. People are interacting with it more than they ever have. That last contacted field, that's where the power is, because you have these people on a market snapshot or a smart plan. Monthly, they're getting it. You can see when they've opened it, you can see what they looked at, and now they're beginning to add other neighborhoods, and I can see all of that and know that is somebody I need to talk to.
Sometimes people want a different way to reach out to their database, and there's Command for that. And sometimes they want a simple transaction from contact to close, and there's Command for that too. I've seen it transform so many people's businesses in different ways. You've seen Cathy, and she started off with Command from the very beginning and all the way to now. And that's my favorite part about being a tech trainer, is just seeing the growth and seeing the most creative ways that we can use it.
I couldn't have done any of what I did with this technology had it not been for Jannel right there with me.
When we onboard them, we set up their website and their marketing profile, everything like that, so that they can see the technology for itself, and then they will want to use it just naturally. It just happens naturally because they see the effect that Command has on their business.